Okay, so just to let you guys know, I am doing this intro for the Bumblebee picture because I forgot to film my intro. I thought I filmed everything, but I guess I cannot find the file for it. So here's an intro. Boom. Yeah. Stick me to the very end. I do got the outro already filmed and already in the video, so don't have to worry about that. This is probably the only time I'll make this mistake. So yeah, just work with me here.
Started off innocent, just a chance interaction that turned into cigarettes. Bad for my body, bad for my home. One thing led to another, couldn't leave you alone. When you came around, you brought the streets with you. Traces of perpetual pollution in my living room. Yeah, I forget to breathe sometimes. Whatever did you do to my mind? Whatever did you do to my pride? Your silence is violent, and my dogs won't be quiet. Get out of my heart, get out of my head, get out of my dreams, get out of my bed. Get on with my life, get on with
with you. Really got time to fuss and fight no more. Why you tripping, baby? You know you invited. Acting like you know what's up, but you ain't psychic. Told you nothing going down, but you ain't like it. I told you nothing going down when you excited. So if you want a song, go and get the one. Show me the money, get the money, let's go down, down. Break it up, when we make it up, make it up, make it up, break it up, then we make it up, then we. You out this world, need some space from me. I'm out here, girl, I'm back up in the street. So I don't really got time to fuss and fight no more with you. Really got time to fuss and fight no more. What's the problem? What's the issue? Everything I said has been true. Love you, then he ditched you. Nobody knowing what we into. Not the cause of what you've been through. I know what you can do. Why you tripping, baby? You know you invited. Acting like you know what's up, but you ain't psychic. Told you nothing going down, but you ain't like it. I told you nothing going down when you excited. So if you want a song, go and get the one. Show me the money, get the money, let's go down, down. Break it up, when we make it up, make it up, break it up, when we make it up, make it up. You out this world, need some space for me.
Well, there you have it. That is Bumblebee from Transformers. I really hope you like this drawing because I really as hell sure do. And I really put some real good detail in it, as you guys can see with the, metal. And I also tried to give it that, glow yellow shine effect to his armor, to his, battle, Transformer abilities and everything. Because he is a Camaro and he is Bumblebee for a reason. So I had to give it the yellow, kind of scheme to it. I really didn't have much to do with the black. Nonetheless, I love the drawing regardless, and I hope you guys do too. If you do like the drawing, and if you did like this video, make sure you smash that like button down below. If this is your first time watching my videos and you are ready for future and more really cool content, because we produce some pretty cool content on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on bell notifications so you'll be the first one to know about my uploads. But that is all for today. That's all the time we got. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And well, you already know my outro is always the same, and as I always say, peace and sayonara. Take care.